equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our expert guide on repairing your Silvercrest appliance. Today, we'll cover 3 main areas: repairing the circuit board, replacing the jug, and adjusting the weight. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some cleaning cloths. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. To begin, unplug your appliance to ensure safety. Start by removing the screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the panel is off, you'll have access to the internal components. Next, let's focus on the circuit board. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you find any issues, use your multimeter to test the connections. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure you're on the right track. If the circuit board needs repair, carefully desolder any damaged components using a soldering iron. Replace them with new parts, ensuring they are securely soldered in place. After this, clean the board with isopropyl alcohol and a cloth to remove any residue. Now, let's move on to replacing the jug. This is a straightforward process. First, remove the old jug by unscrewing it from the base. Make sure to check for any wear and tear on the seals. If you notice any damage, it's best to replace them as well. When installing the new jug, ensure it fits snugly and securely. Next, we'll adjust the weight. This is crucial for the appliance to function correctly. Locate the weight adjustment screws, usually found at the base. Use your flathead screwdriver to make the necessary adjustments. If you're not comfortable doing this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting the appliance. After making all the repairs, it's essential to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the appliance's performance. Before reassembling, double-check all connections and ensure everything is in place. If you're feeling uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Finally, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Plug the appliance back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help with any further assistance you may need. And that's it. You've successfully repaired your Silvercrest appliance. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can tackle these repairs yourself. Happy repairing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.